my name is Leslie Reichert and I'm the cleaning coach. You can visit my website greencleaningcoach.com for more tips and tricks just like this one. Today what we're going to do is I'm going to give you a few different ways to clean a wood cutting board. What you need to do is just remember that all these different things are dealing with natural acids and they're not going to leave a residue inside of the board. You want to make sure you rinse it off really well. But what we can do is you can start off with a little bit of lemon juice. If I had one, I'd use a real cut lemon and I would dip it in salt. But since I don't have a real lemon, we're going to use the lemon concentrate. And I'm just going to make a little paste out of it with some salt. And what this is going to do is it's going to combine the acid in the lemon juice with the coarseness of the salt. And we're going to actually go over the cutting board with it. And that's going to clean and disinfect the cutting board. So again, it's just like a little paste. And we're just going to go over it very gently and clean it off and make sure that the lemon juice gets down inside the wood. You can also use hydrogen peroxide. That's another great disinfectant. You can mix that with the salt as well. And you can even mix it with the lemon juice. It really won't matter. And the hydrogen peroxide has been used for years in hospitals to clean and disinfect with, so it'll work great on your cutting board. The nice thing is that after about 10 minutes after being exposed to light, hydrogen peroxide just turns to water. So it's going to be very clean and safe, kill the bacteria, and then turn to water, so it's not going to hurt anybody. The other thing you want to try is maybe a little bit of lavender oil. You put that into this combination and that'll go in there and kill and disinfect as well. Then, after you're all done, you want to just use a little tiny bit of dish soap, just a drop in some soapy water, and you're going to wash this all off. And then you can condition it with some natural olive oil. So just simple steps you can use. We've got hydrogen peroxide, salt, a little bit of lavender oil and some water, and then we're going to use some nice dish soap to clean it all up. And remember, you can condition it with some olive oil. So it's a simple trick, and what you can do is condition and clean your cutting board with things you can eat. My name's Leslie Reichert and I'm the cleaning coach, and you can see more tips like this at greencleaningcoach.com. Happy cleaning!